This exercise targets all muscles of your lower body. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Put your hands on your hips. Lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Push through your heels and go back up again. Keep your core tight. Your knees should be extended in the same direction as your toes. Squeeze your glutes when you go up. Your knees should not go over your toes. Inhale when you go down, and exhale when you go up. This exercise can help improve your balance,